That's why Dutch women have big shoulders, I guess.
I don't feel like my shoulders are big enough.
No. You wasn't made for manual labor.
I feel like I need to buy me some wooden shoes.
I got making them right there.
I like the flowered ones.
As expensive as wood is, it'd be probably cheaper to buy regular shoes.
Look at the pretty fishies. I want to feed them. I'm feeding the fishies. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Holy macaroni. Them are some hungry fish. I think the refrigerator and the microwave's just a smidge out of place. That's the bakery we went to. Very old St. Nick cookie cutting machine. That's pretty interesting. Oh, what's that? Because there's her purse. I love the purse. What is Goliath? There's Goliath. There's street organs. Man, that thing is pretty. Could you imagine dragging that around the street? That's kind of neat. The puppet freaks me out a little bit. I don't feel like the corn husk dolls would last very long. So this is an original log cabin, actually an actual log cabin, not a replica.
Grinder, ball and bowl.
Yeah, no. Since 1902.
The oldest remaining businesses. One of.
Moved to America from Württemberg, Germany. Like the old ice box too. You know, I'm not sure what this is, but I'm assuming some kind of a blacksmithy, or not blacksmith, oh, well, anyway. Look at all the wooden shoes.
It looks so comfortable. You can buy one for $5.
Oh. Huh. Do you want to see if it fits?
No.
This one's kind of a bonus because we did not know that Wyatt Earp actually lived here in Pella. Right?
Right.
From 2 to 16, is that
Yep.
what she said, or something like that?
Yep.
This is a tiny little room. This is very pink in here. That's the outside of the Wyatt Earp home, but the bottom half is what they lived in. They only rented the bottom half. Do you need to stand up on the... What?
Say something Dutch.
Something Dutch. I don't know anything Dutch.
Well, just go y'all.
Y'all.
There you go. So I can't touch it, but I really want to pull one out. The one ringy knee. Put the little earphones on.
Take a shopping list and see if you can find all the items on the list. Yeah, we don't hit the age. It's 6 to 8, 9 to 10, 11 to 12. That's a neat little activity, though. I think it's cool they put some of the prices. Yeah, but look, $40 for a typewriter. Wild cherry cough remedy. Headache powders.
Pick up your mom's medicine and a pair of wooden shoes.
Yeah. I like this railing. Oh, that's pretty. I love them tiles. We hope that you enjoyed the little tour of the historical village, but don't go anywhere because we have more videos. We may have already released videos of Pella. We just had too much footage to put it all in one. So we'll have a town one, we'll have the historical village, and then we'll have the windmill tour. So check back to see if we have post more, or look back and see if we have videos we've already released from Pella.